What's up guys, you watching My Next Best, and in this video we have an office chair. This is a swivel chair with the base, with all the wheels, and this one is the cheapest of all the chairs that are currently available on the internet. It comes with pretty much everything that comes as standard with office chairs. Basically the bottom, the base, as you can see, these 5 casters, they have dual wheels. And then, of course, the gas cylinder, or the screws, the M4s and the M6 screws. And you get the Allen key as well. That's kind of the universal Allen key that works with all these screws as well. You've got the base, of course. You've got the backrest, armrest, headrest, and all those things come pretty much out of the box. And as you can see, the armrest installation is pretty much of a breeze. You get the M6 screws that you need to install. Sorry, these are the M4 screws, I suppose. And the M6 goes basically at the bottom. So you get about 8 M4 screws and 4 M6 screws. The armrests also double up as the installers for the seat. You'd see that in just about a bit. But once the armrests are installed, it's the case of installing the seat. And I was kind of adjusting and essentially checking if the lever for the tilt adjustment and the the height adjustment and stuff is aligned to the screw positions, which it was, of course. And yeah, it was a case of getting the M6 screws installed at the bottom. So yeah, M6 screws are pretty much the decent spec for the seat because they are quite large, quite long in size, and quite sturdy as well, quite thick. So that should be fine for the seat. And then installing this piston type thingy, that was pretty much of a breeze. These M4 screws go in, 4 of these go in place, and the installation was pretty simple, of course, with the Allen key that's supplied alongside. And once that was done, it was a matter of just attaching it to the base, and voila. The seat's pretty much ready, and we are ready to go, ready to work. And as you can tell, I haven't broken a sweat. It's so simple, it's dead simple installing. The final verdict here is that if you're on budget, then surely this is a fine purchase for you. But if you are looking for something more meaningful that should last longer, then definitely there are many other options available. This is just one of the most cheapest options that money can buy. So choose wisely and let us know if you have any questions or queries. Until next time, cheers, bye.